Hi guys, evening energy read for you today. It's a timeless reading and it's a collective reading, it's a divine reading. It's almost evening ending. So I'm going to read this for you. Let's see what the divine message is for you. Okay, four of swords is there. Four of swords means rest. I'm getting this is you being awakening, you needing rest. You are also needing rest in the evening time. It's 4-4 energy right now. It's a 6 of cups. What is this 6 of cups for you today? It could be someone trying to meet you, someone trying to send you telepathy, someone is thinking of you. Magician, someone is manifesting you. I was right. And we have 2 more cards that we are not going to take because it's evening time. And some energies are not for you. You must know that. If this resonates with you, I just want to tell you that you need a lot of rest. You need rest. If you're thinking that you might sleep in evening time, maybe it's time that you're sleeping usually. Yeah. I just know that you are letting go of the burdens. It's 1-4-4 energy. You're letting go of heaviness. Probably you're letting go of the past. There's a lot of releasing coming to you naturally. Well, naturally, something you could be born on 1st, 4th, and 6th. It could be your energy or 2. Number 2 is coming. You maybe. I feel there is a yearning for you. Yearning means you're looking out constantly for this loved one to turn up to you. Maybe a twin flame or a soulmate, your soul tribe. Let's see more. Yep, it's 10 of cups. 10 of cups energy. Let's see what energy you are in. I mean, personally, what you're feeling. Let's see that. 9 of wands. You need to release. 9 of wands is asking you to, conserve your energy for good, but release. 9 of wands also talks about how you have placed yourself in boundaries, and this is what is causing you a lot of lack in sleep. A lot of consciousness is getting out of you. We have Hierophant also. Okay, let's see more. This change is coming to you by naturally. That's what I'm saying. So let's see. 8 of cups. Lot of old energy. 7 of cups. Old energy. Okay. If you're purchasing a lot of things, if you're trying to, find a lot of things that you want to buy, don't do it. Don't buy a lot of things. Prioritize saving, prioritize yourself, right? I'm getting that a lot of 6 of cups, 4 of cups. Yeah, 6 of cups, 8 of cups, 7 of cups is more like you need to realize where you're going with this. Why you need to shop. Is it just because of habit? Is it because of boredom? What is it? Why you're shopping a lot? Let's see more. You're manifesting something, but a lot of rest is coming for you, which means you are requiring to harvest and protect your energy, conserve it probably. Again, 10 of Pentacles. I see a lot of proposals for you. I see a lot of money for you, inherited money. That is what is coming for you. But in case that's your something that you want, you go that way. In case you don't want it, let it pass. If you're single, if you think that it's not for you, the marriage thing, somebody could be, in your life. It could be your children, it could be someone having babies, your pets, your children, probably they are having babies in the next few months. That's what I feel like. Let's see more about this energy. I know this energy is a little draining for you, but it's happening for the good. We have two cards. 7 of Swords is here. And the King of Swords. Okay. I see you like your energy is going away a lot, right? So if you want to focus, you're not able to focus. If you want clarity, you're not getting clarity, because there is just one point of hold. There is a dark hold that you're holding on to. Probably you need to release that negative self-belief, because somebody made you believe negatively about you. Somebody stole your energy, and I'm getting that because of it you are doubting yourself in a lot of ways, and you're doubting your energy, which is leaving its space because of one thing. So somebody has stolen your energy for sure. Look at that. 7 of Swords. It could be a spell work. Just because somebody made you believe something, it could be a negative thing, and you must know it. There is a King of Swords. 7 on point. Strong-willed and clarity. You need to develop it. Maybe you're looking at somebody and you're looking at them and you're saying bad things to them, particularly because you know what they are made up of. They may be full of shit, whatever, who it is. Whosoever it could be. Maybe you're not thinking about someone who has actually stolen your energy. So yes, it is a Vishuddhi Chakra energy. Somebody may have done a negative spell work on you, and that's why you're fearful. That's why you need to realize why you're getting this time for rest. You need to release. You need to get out of that fear. You need to get out of that spell work somebody did, because you remember somewhere, where you did that. You got that spell work, right? It got you, right? Something got you. Release it. Again, 7, the Chariot. So something is telling me that you may be gaining clarity. Maybe you're yearning for clarity right now, and you need to pray, right? Pray for clarity. God, in your name, I pray that I receive clarity. Do say this affirmation for yourself. This is not just an affirmation. This is a prayer to God. It is sacred. It is worth it. God will help you. But pray to God. Instead of using affirmations, use the word I pray to God that I receive clarity. Right? So whichever way you pray, but that's what you need. But let me tell you something. Where this reading is going. This reading is going towards your ultimate turnover, not just turnover, change, ultimate peace, ultimate unity with the self. This would be the best transformation you have ever got. This is where this reading is going. Why I'm saying that? Because I received the Chariot card. The Chariot card is telling you that whatever is happening because you are going through massive transformation according to the alignment. You're being aligned. You're being aligned to your purpose, aligned to what you actually wanted, or maybe what God wanted for you. You already know it. You already know within yourself. This is where you are receiving your rest. This is where you are receiving your alignment. This is where you are receiving, probably you are receiving light codes. Probably you're praying. Probably you're doing your meditations and chanting, whatever you do in personal life. the person that you always wanted, this person is coming to you, but here's something, it might not, they might not be the one. I'm gonna be point blank on this. They might not be the one. You are coming into alignment, right? And you're coming into your full potential. If your sleep pattern has gone, you know, up and down, morning, evening, night, whatever it is, you don't know, and you've let it go, right? This is where it's telling me that you're receiving that light code, exactly what you wanted. Because you are receiving a lot of energy right now and you don't know where to put it, and it's just not that. You're losing your heaviness. You're letting go of some things which is not aligned for you, which is not giving you the proper, like, higher self vibes, right? So you are letting it go. You're letting it pass, whatever it was. You may look at my other videos, because I may have posted them all, I may not have posted them all, but I've been making these videos, and I will post it as soon as possible. But it's more like you will receive some kind of an energy, like a lot of energy, but you will only work on those that you feel like that may align with you more. That's what I'm talking about. It's a 7 of Pentacles. Your money is growing, but do not keep looking at it. That's what it is. 7 of Pentacles. Your money may grow, right? Because you've sown the seeds, but do not keep looking at it. The moment you let it go, the moment you start putting your energy in something else, that money will have some kind of relief, and it will breathe a little, so it will grow. So have patience. Patience will pay you fruits. That's more like it. Let's see more. Okay, we have Major Arcana, Strength card, number 8, and we have the Page of Coins, Page of Pentacles here. It's not just the money that you're growing. You are becoming honey. You're becoming, you're gaining your value, basically. You are gaining value. This person wants to text to you, but there is another message coming for you. Do not go into a relationship because you are bored. You are bored. You need something so bad that it might not be for you. Do you realize what I just said? You may not need something that you are getting because of boredom. And that's where I talk about money also. You need to save some money. You may not need to overspend. You need to gain some kind of strength. It is a solar plexus. It is a calling from heart. It is a calling from soul. And this is the time you make sure that things may not exactly move how you wanted them to, but your strength lies something where you manage things. This is your test. This is your test. You need to have patience, develop patience. If you feel like something is asking you to, just yell at it. do not hold your horses. There are some times when you hold your horses just like that. Sometimes you feel like, you are yelling and you feel like I shouldn't have yelled. You need to hold your horses. This is the time you have patience. This is the time you build yourself, and this is your test also from divine. We are going to take final messages as this we have come to the end. We are going to take some final messages here for you. What is the alignment for you? It might be different for you, but I'm going to take some energies here. Page of Cups. Page of Cups. Develop more relationships. Evening time is coming for you. Be fun, right? Be calm, be cool, but be fun. Because fun is something that will help you to, convert your energy better, right? Let's see more. The World card. And we have Six of Pentacles. We'll take two more cards here. Ace of Swords. The Lovers. Okay. Somebody's going to text you. This is a Wheel of Fortune. I did another reading today, which I have not posted yet. This person wants to contact you. If you watch this reading, probably you will watch that reading also, because this is meant for you. Somebody is coming to you. You think that it is over, it is done, and it is, in the bushes. Now it's gone, or something like that. In the bushes or whatever, right? Means left behind, right? But this person's gonna contact you, the person that you've been waiting on for, or you might receive a new person, right? So there is a new person, because the other energy is somewhere coming to an end. The one that you've been waiting for, either it has come to an end, or as soon as it ends, you're going to receive a text from this person. Ace of Swords. Because this is an old energy coming back again. Six of Pentacles. The World and Six of Pentacles makes a weird combination here in this reading. You know why? Because after the World, if this is coming, 100% this person is gonna come back. They are gonna make a move for you. I want to talk to you. I want to send a message to you. I want to send a message. This is what it is. And then we have the Lovers card. It's more like the Wheel of Fortune again. I'm telling you, I read this in the morning, and the same energy was coming, and I'm not making this up. This is what it is, right? So thank you for watching. In case you want your personal readings, contact me through WhatsApp. The number is in the description box below. And yes, share this video with someone who you feel like that will need this energy, will need this transformation message. Comment down below. Let me know how you felt with this reading. Also, yeah, I forgot. Comment down below, like, share, subscribe, and keep smiling. I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.